global journey of pizza, from Italy to the world. A slice of history. Imagine sitting in a small Italian pizzeria, the air filled with the smell of fresh bread and tomatoes. You take a bite of a warm slice of pizza, and in that moment, everything feels right. But have you ever thought about where pizza comes from? This delicious dish has a rich history that dates back hundreds of years. Pizza began in the city of Naples, Italy, in the 18th century. At that time, it was not a famous dish. It was food for the poor, made with simple ingredients. People used bread, tomatoes, and cheese. They cooked it in wood-fired ovens. This type of pizza was easy to make and very tasty. One popular story says that in 1889, a famous queen of Italy, Margherita, visited Naples. The pizza maker, Raffaele Esposito, created a special pizza for her. He used tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. The colors of the pizza represented the Italian flag, red, white, and green. The queen loved it. This pizza became known as margherita pizza. But there's more to learn about how pizza spread beyond Italy. Pizza travels to America. In the late 19th century, many Italian immigrants moved to America. They brought their food traditions with them. Pizza was part of their culture. At first, pizza was only popular in Italian neighborhoods, but it quickly gained love from everyone. In 1905, the first pizzeria in America opened in New York City. It was called Lombardi's. This pizzeria introduced the classic Neapolitan pizza to the American people. Many people tasted pizza for the first time here. They fell in love with it. Soon, other pizzerias opened across the country. As people tried pizza, they began to change it. They added new toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, and extra cheese. Some people made thick crust pizza, while others preferred thin crust. Pizza became a dish that reflected American tastes. But how did pizza become so popular in the entire world? A global sensation. By the 1950s, pizza was famous all over the world. Soldiers returning from World War II brought pizza back to their hometowns. They loved the taste and atmosphere of pizzerias in Italy. It was a time of change, and pizza found a place in many countries. Today, you can find pizza almost everywhere. From Tokyo to Mexico City, each country adds its unique touch. In Japan, you might find pizza with squid or mayonnaise. In Brazil, they often put corn on their pizza. In India, toppings like paneer and spicy chicken are very popular. Pizza allows people to share their culture through food. But did you know that not all pizza was created equal? A surprising fact is that the deep dish pizza we know from Chicago is often considered not a real pizza by some Italians. They believe that true pizza should be thin and crispy. This little disagreement shows how food can change and evolve differently in other cultures. Pizza and community. Pizza is not just food. It is also about sharing experiences. When friends and families gather, pizza is often the main dish. It brings people together. Sharing a pizza helps create memories. Whether it's a birthday party, a casual night in, or a big celebration, pizza is always there. Pizzerias became community hubs. People visit to eat, talk, and enjoy life together. The sound of laughter and the smell of pizza fill the air. It is more than just eating. It is about connecting with others. People say that pizza is love on a plate. Modern pizza trends. In the modern world, pizza continues to be a popular choice. New trends are emerging all the time. Many people are now looking for healthier options, and pizzerias are responding. Cauliflower crusts, whole grain dough, and fresh vegetables are becoming common. Another trend is gourmet pizza. Chefs create unique flavors with high-quality ingredients. They use truffle oil, smoked salmon, or even figs. Gourmet pizzas are like art. They attract food lovers looking for new experiences. As pizza continues to grow, technology is also changing how we enjoy it. With online orders and food delivery apps, you can have pizza delivered to your door in minutes. This makes it easier to enjoy pizza anytime, anywhere. Pizza. More than just a meal. Pizza's story is one of love, culture, and creativity. It connects us to our history and to each other. From a simple dish in Naples to a global phenomenon, pizza has a special place in our hearts. Next time you grab a slice, think about its journey. Remember how it traveled across the globe, uniting people from different backgrounds. Pizza is more than just a meal. It is a celebration of life and togetherness. What is your favorite pizza topping, and why do you love it? Share your thoughts with someone today.